going on to the other side of the road slightly there.
Yeah.
What do you not like living?
No, I love living. I love living.
So while we're waiting, we're just as if we're watching a tennis match.
Quicker.
Yeah. Okay. Brake and gently focus on that positioning for me, and brake to stop at the line.
A little bit more.
So you're doing well. In another 1,000 lessons, you'll be ready. I thought, I was like, someone that starts learning at your age, I'm like, he's got to be ill. He's got to be, something's not right with him. a sniper, like,
Yeah.
you want to be like a sniper on watch sort of thing, yeah?
Okay.
Got to keep both hands on the steering wheel.
Yeah.
So you start moving off and you're like,
Yeah.
All right, girls.
Easy.
A little bit more gas. Don't like pigeons. No, you should really come off the gas for pigeons normally. Should we slam our brakes on for a pigeon?
I mean, are we talking ethically or morally?
Highway Cody.